Let me see you put 'em up. Reach the sky, touch the stars up above. Cause it's one time for the underdog. One time for the underdog.
Hello everybody, Gus here again from Belgium. Welcome in this small video tutorial. In this video tutorial I will show you how you can easily add a picture or a photo gallery to your WordPress website. Really easy to do, so let's jump into my screen. This is once again a test website, so nothing special there. For this tutorial video I'm using this WordPress plugin. They have a paid version, so you see it's the world's leading WordPress page builder. They have free one and also a paid one, so I'm using both. So in this tutorial video I'm using the free plugin, so really easy. So let's not waste time and I will show you how you can easily do this. So we go to pages. Let me hide my face. Okay, and then we click on add new. Okay, let's say this is a test page, does not matter. And then we click on edit with Elementor. Then it's loading, and of course on the left side here we see the widgets. So let's search for the option. Okay, there it is already, image gallery. So for the people who are new, it's really easy. I have shown this many times before to my students. So you just click on or simply drag and drop. Then of course you click on it, and then you can add some images. Let's say some images from the website, does not matter. Let's say this. It depends, dimensions, etc. But okay, so you see it's marked, so select it. Then we click on create a new gallery. Here are the ones, and of course you can change the order, you can drag and drop. You see you can remove or add new ones. Later on we can do that also, and then we simply click on insert gallery. Okay, here's already the gallery. You see the image size, now it's 150 on 150. You can change that if you want to have it a little bit bigger or whatever. You can go for full, you can go for whatever option you want. Of course, now it looks a little bit strange. That's simply because all the dimensions are different from the uploaded images. So let me clear, add images. I think these three are more or less the same. Let's see, insert gallery. Okay, so this is good. Let me go to full. Okay, it's good. And then columns, you can play with that. If you want to only have three, if you want only one column, something like that. Two columns. Let's say for this example, on three it looks for these three ladies pretty good. Then we can, the link is good. Lightbox, okay, I will show you in a minute what that is. Let's put that on yes. The order you can random, but that's good for now. So really easy, nothing special. The style, okay, you can for example here, what is this, the border type you can change. So just let me show you. See, if you want to change that, no, I don't like that. The groove may be a little bit, but no, I don't like that. I put it on none. And advanced, I told you before, normally you do not have to change anything there unless you really want to play and tweak everything, but mostly everything you can edit on this content section or tab. So let's see how it goes. We click on publish, and then let's have a look. You see, and here is the gallery, and of course people like to click on pictures, so of course now it's a little bit small, but that's because the uploaded image was small. So, and then you can check the other pictures also. So as you see, this is a really easy tutorial as always. If you have any other questions, just comment below, and have a great day. Bye.